Hello everybody from Treehouse Villas at Saratoga Springs. Today we're going to be taking a treehouse tour. That's right, we're going to be doing a room tour of our stay here at Saratoga Springs. It looks pretty awesome from the outside, so let's get inside and check this out. For reference on location, we are staying at 7036. Alright, let's head inside. As we enter, you can see a beautiful entry here. Look at this tall, squeaky door. Ceilings you have there, lots of lighting. You got a pull-out couch there. We got a table here. We'll give more depth in a second, but we'll start here right at the door. We have a vacuum, your iron, your ironing board, and your safe right at the entry. From the safe, we have a mirror by the entry. This beautiful table, very heavy chairs like this with a bench. That's pretty solid. And then this is the golf course of Saratoga Springs, and that's the Saratoga Springs Hotel in the background. From the table, we move over to the bar stools with a nice little bar seating area, which leads into the kitchen. The kitchen is very nicely decorated. I love the wood structuring around it with all the extra lighting. Down here we have a outlet for your toaster. We have dishwasher soap here. Your basic sponge with your soap for all your dishes. You got your sink with a nozzle sprayer and garbage disposal. Another outlet for your coffee maker, so you can make your dark roast Joffrey's coffee there. And they do provide some tea. In the drawer, you have tongs and some stuff. There is a barbecue outside, which I will show you the outside when we're on that part of the tour. So there's a barbecue, there's trash can, and then your dishwasher. From the dishwasher, we have a full-size fridge with lots of storage, cups. You got your plates, you got Tupperware and measuring cups, and all your different extra cups. There's even more cups there. Down here is your silverware and your full-size oven with knives and other utensils you need for all your cooking purposes. And then there are pans down there. From the kitchen, we start moving on. As you can see, another chair, very nice table setup. I don't know, it's just shaped like a Mickey. If you look, there's the two ears and then this is a full pull-out couch. So down here you got a full pull-out couch there, your table with your TV. This is the only TV in this room. And then over here, this is another pull-out bed. So you can see right there, that is another pull-out. It's a chair, turns into pull-out bed. Table, some nice art. From the art, this is the way to the master bedroom. You can see there is coat rack, a seating location with storage, wastebasket, a nice desk to do some work with two outlets and USB on both sides. It is also located where your TV is. Panning from the TV, you can see a beautiful view outside from the master bed, and that's a medium firmness. Over here, dresser with more lighting and outlets with USB, Nightstand, also outlets with USB. Your light switch for the lights above. Over here, another nightstand with the other service phone and outlets with USB. But the room looks really nice. Very tall ceilings again. Nice fan above. Now we head to the master bathroom. As you can see, very large master bathroom. Your makeup mirror, extra towels. Hello everybody. I love these where the water pours out like that. Looks very cool. Nice sink, towels, H2O products, facial soap and body lotion, body wash, conditioner and shampoo, and more bath soap. And then inside this, so you can see here, there's a shower head and shower. It's conjoined, so when you shut the door, it's all part of one room. It's not separate. You go in here and you can see it is a jetted tub, and very nice. Very nice tub setup and shower setup in there. More towels, and then of course your toilet. back in the kitchen, and everything of the master bedroom is located there. So to the left of the kitchen, that's master bath, master bedroom. To the right, we enter the first room on the right, and you can see we have bunk beds, 1 and 2 beds there. Very large, and looks like full size. Yep, they are full size beds, and they are also, that's actually really soft. I would say it's on the softer side of beds. Then you have a dresser with outlets and USB and your TV. More lighting. There's also above head lighting. And then in the closet there is a child's bed right there. So you just gotta set that up. Laundry basket with plenty of hangers. This is the view from outside the room. Don't worry, we'll go out there in a minute. Over here you can see more shelving, some artwork on the wall, another service phone with like a nightstand. Exiting the room, going to the right, we have the next room with a queen size bed. That one's medium firm as well. Nightstand with service phone. Also outlets are down there, just outlets, no USB there. Again, lots of lighting throughout. Light there, there's a light in the overhead. The closet, you have a lot of extra pillows and blankets. There's 3 sets in here. Hangers, USB and outlets again, and the dresser, and then more USB outlets, and then a very decent sized TV right there, and one more table in the room with your light switch. Exiting the room, we go right into the laundry. So you can see washer, dryer, stackable with provided soap. And from there we have the next bathroom, so the second bathroom. We enter, you got your towels, some nice artwork, another makeup mirror, hello again, more H2O soaps with towels. Down here, more towels, your hair dryers in there, toilet, and then this is a really nice tub setup here, a little shelf back here, hand bar, and then very high shower head. And for reference, I'm 5'10", and that shower head is as tall as I'm reaching right now, so very spacious. This is a beautiful layout. Love the design, love the look of everything. Now let's head outside and see the views from outdoors. All right, let's head outside. As you can see, we do have our own deck with provided table and chairs and a bench seat, surrounded by trees, and it's very quiet. You are by yourself. There's nobody next to you or below you or above you. It's very nice out here, and we'll head down the stairs. From the stairs, you can see there is nothing underneath. It's completely open. There are posted signs that need to be aware of while you're here. It is a possibility. But if you wanted to grill, that is also a possibility. As you saw earlier, there was tongs and stuff, so you can do charcoal grilling right here. And if you want to swim, this room is located right next to the pool. This is our tree house, and the next tree house is back here in the woods, and the other one is over here. So very private. And if you want to know where parking is, it's located right there, very close by, right next to the pool. We are DVC members. We did use our points to stay here tonight, and we're very excited about it. I also like how quiet it is. They're screaming at the pool, can't hear them. Neighbors don't exist. It's a very nice place. I'm very happy to stay here. But if I didn't answer any of your questions for this video, please let me know down in the comment section below. I know we kind of went through this kind of quick, but if you have a question, I'll try to answer it the best I can. But otherwise than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Lets me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we'll be doing some more room tours very soon in the near future. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.